Welcome back everyone to the channel. Welcome to a Wednesday upload. Like I said, I'm going to try to make Wednesday uploads a thing where I do quick tutorials, quick videos that aren't as long as my Monday uploads, which if you haven't watched yet, you can watch up in this corner right here. Today's video, as the title suggests, I'm going to be teaching you how to do a motion start and what the sound difference is between the two startups, the regular and the emotion start. I know I did this before on my C63S, but a lot of people were asking about the updated AMGs, how to do a motion start, and also what the CLA45 sounds like on startup. So that's why we're here today. So what a motion start does is it actually opens the valves when you start the car. So normally when you start the car, it always starts in comfort no matter what. That's the reason why AMGs don't sound that great on startup, is because the valves are ultimately closed. Now what a motion start does is it opens those valves up, so when you start it up, you have all the valves open and you get those burbles and pops. So that's the reason why a motion start is better than a regular startup. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the motion start on 2019s and above AMGs, and also I'm gonna throw in a tutorial on how to do the 2018s and below, just so you guys know, just in case you don't have a 2019 or above, you can still do a motion start, because a motion start does work on those cars. Now bear in mind, the 2019 tutorial does not work on the 2018, so keep that in mind when you are figuring out what car you have and what emotion start you're supposed to be using. So let's hop into the car and figure out how to do that. So the first step to emotion start is obviously to get inside the car, so let's do that. Yeah, my car is a little dirty, but here we go. All right guys, now that the annoying chime is off, we can start the video. So basically when you normally start a car, you just push your foot on the brake and you press the start button. So if you were to do that, this is what it sounds like. So that's what a normal startup sounds like. Like I said, a motion start makes the car have more pops and bangs, just have a little bit more pronounced of a start, and it just overall sounds way better. So in order to do that in the AMGs from 2019 and above, what you do is you want to hold back one of the paddles before you start the car. So what you would do is you would push your foot on the brake, hold back a paddle, and then start the car. So I'm going to try to do that with one hand. It's going to be a little difficult, so bear with me. So if we were to do that, you can hear how much better it sounds like. So we put our foot on the brake, paddle back, and then start the car. You heard how much better that sounds, and that's why when I start my car, I always push the paddle back and do the emotion start, because emotion start just sounds so much better. So now you're probably wondering, how do I do that if I don't have a 2019 or 2020, 2021 AMG? How do I do that on 2018 and below? So the best way to get a motion start in the older AMGs is you press the start button first, so you turn on the accessory power and then push it again. And you can see all the settings come up, so we're in comfort mode. And what you'll do is you'll switch it into Sport Plus or Race mode if you have it on the dials here, or if you go to the dynamic switch here, same thing, and then start the car. And you can hear it's a little bit more pronounced than the regular startup. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. I really appreciate it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, because there's a lot more videos coming so soon to this channel. I'm gonna try to grow it as much as I can. So I appreciate all your guys' support, like I said, and have a happy holidays, and I'll see you guys on the next video on Monday.